Hey everyone, today we're going to unbox the Coros Apex Pro. This is bought from the promotion that it came in the purchase order of the Coros gift box, and surprisingly they give the big, I don't know, shopping bags. Maybe it's a waterproof bag. This came as a surprise. I didn't expect this, but thank Coros for this. Okay, let's come to the main thing today, that we have a Coros Apex Pro. Okay, let's put aside the box. Let's see what is inside the box. Okay, of course I open it to check the content when deliver the thing. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, we have the silver color of the Apex Pro that came in a green nylon band. Okay, let's try it. Let's put aside. This is the watch, and these are the I don't know, user manuals. Oh, very stickers to put on your forehead, maybe. Okay, these are the I think warranty policy. Okay, nothing important here. Let's put aside. Yes, whatever inside the box. Okay, let's see. Okay, it came in the, how to open this. Okay, but we have yeah, this is a very good thing. I think this is some from the feedback of the customer, that there was something to protect the charger. Okay, let's see what inside here. Okay, good. This is the charging cables. Okay, that's good. Okay, we have all this, put it here. Okay, let's see the watch itself. It came with a two, I think this is to control the size of the band. Okay. Oops. Okay, this is the watch. Explore the perfection. Okay, next came to explore whether this is a perfect running watch. Okay, you can see the back is, I can feel it's like titanium, but it looks like aluminium, but never mind. Okay, there's a heart rate sensor, and the most important to differentiate the Apex Pro is the pulse oximeter. Okay, let's try it. You have the two buttons and the scroll and buttons. Okay, let's see what came in the box. The purchase box. Okay, this is, they call it a gift box, but you have to pay for it, right? Oh, inside there's a Coros pod. I haven't opened this yet. Let's see. Okay. Then we have another nylon band. This is what I want, actually. Okay. So this will give you a lighter weight for your watch, and it says it enhance the heart rate monitoring, because it can tie on your hand, on your wrist. Okay, then okay, another charging cables, but I think unless we lost the original, then you need this, because according to the specification, the Coros Apex Pro the battery can last 20 over 30 days for people like me that not running every day. Maybe it can last me a month, and I don't really need that charging cable much. This is what I need: the nylon band and the Coros pod to see how bad my running posture. Okay, let's see. Let's open the box and see what's inside this. Oops. I should have opened this before the videos. Oops. It came with a very good design. Okay, let's see the box. So, yes, the Coros pot. Oh, it's the little tiny thing. Yeah. Oh, it comes with a very rubberized. And how to use it? Oh, there's a battery. Okay, so I have to slot in this battery into this, but there's no way I can open it. No, you say from the instruction you have to like use a lot of force to push this thing out. Yes. Oops, gone. Right, nah. So we're going to put in the battery in here. Then you can like shake it to activate this thing. Then only you can like pair to your watch. Okay, let's come back here. Okay, this is the watch itself. Let's open this, explore the perfections. Yeah, then yes, this is the Coros Apex. You can see the side view. Okay, yeah, let's start to setting this. Oh, it actually vibrate when you turn this thing, so it's very give you a feedback that you already like turn the thing. Yeah, let's choose English. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to install the app, register, then I can give it a run. Okay, thank you everyone. So if you think this is a good video or give you some idea about what is the Coros Apex Pro, please give a like to my video. Yeah, thank you everyone. Bye.